Chill counter. Okay, so they are going to make a 3 groups, 10, 20 and 10. So as soon as we enter, she counts. 10 हो गए तो रुकाएंगे वापस 20, but all almost starting at the same time. Okay, ma'am.
Allergies or intolerances?
No.
Nobody at all. Perfect. There we are. Right, so we're going to do a guided tasting of these. So there's one for yourself there. And this water's for you. There we go.
Because I'm not from here. I'm from Italy. Whoa, I know. Bianca in Italian actually means white. So you can also call me white if it's easier. It might be a little bit hot. She's like, no, I'm not going to do that. Yeah, it might be a little bit weird, but it's okay. Otherwise, just scream chocolate and I'll probably just turn around.
So if you want to find us some
I'm originally from Italy. Wow. Hi.
There you go. There's still some space down at the bottom as well.
Yes. Now let's see if you listen to me. What does Bianca mean?
White.
Yes, let's go, girl. Yes, I'm Bianca, I'm Italian. Bianca means white in Italian. So you can also call me white, but some of you are like, that's weird. I'm white, hi. Some people usually ask me if white chocolate is my favorite chocolate. It is not, okay? But it's okay, I still like white chocolate. So we are gonna start with the fun things today. So we actually are going to make chocolate. And then I'm going to take you through this beautiful process that we have over here, okay? I usually say here's where magic happens. There are a lot of machinery, but it should be fine. Now, I'm going to ask all of you I'm going to ask who of you like to have, sorry, I'm still speaking fast, am I? Who of you likes dark chocolate? Okay, so would you like to have dark chocolate today?
No.
No, okay. So raise your hand if you would like to have dark chocolate today.
Only 2 people. You get
2 people? 3? Okay. Okay. So all right. Getting popular. Fantastic. So I'm going to prepare dark chocolate. We have 2 tempering machines. So please let me introduce you to Valentina and Margaret over there. We also have Luigi, but as you can see, he's out for holiday. So I'm going to ask you to pop some globes for me. There should be different sizes on the wall, and then once you've done that, you can choose one of the molds that is just next to it. It's 1 mold per person. Some of them are quite interesting. We got a unicorn, a Scottish flag, Bobby, and normal chocolate bar. So choose 1 mold. I'll prepare the chocolate, show you how to make the chocolate, and then you're gonna make chocolate. Okay? Sounds alright? Perfect. Okay. Small. Yes. So dark chocolate. We are gonna do 4.
मोड़ ले लीजिए उसमें
One.
आप सामने
So you're gonna have one of those, and you just need to push, and chocolate will come out. Okay? So let's go. Woo! So much chocolate. You'll see that it's a bit fudgy, and then okay. Once you've done that, just move it a little bit. And you see chocolate goes exactly where it's supposed to go. Now, recommendation, if you have one of those molds that has 3 or 4 different ones, I'll recommend you to pour the chocolate all at once. Okay. So otherwise it's going to set in here. As you can see, this one is already setting. This is very, very hard. Right? So hold it, and then
You sprinkle whatever.
yeah, just pour some in your hand, sprinkle all around, and then close it back. Right? And then I'll come around, give you a little card where you can write your name, and we'll pop them in the fridge. And they should be ready once we are ready. Sounds alright? Any question? No? Fabulous. Okay, let me change my clothes again. If you feel like it, now you can go back to your seat and I'll come around.
তো আর আমার কিচেন পেলে আমার ডাইনিং জায়গা বেড়ে যাবে ডাইনিং জায়গা only clear